Hello, my beautiful people. I'm so glad to see you again. Greetings from wherever you are watching from. This is your girl Africana 01. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To all my returning subscribers, please, I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. And to whoever, when it's your first time to watch my videos, please kindly feel at home, like, comment, subscribe, and share. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious pilau. Yes, so at first I had to put some cooking oil in the pan. After it had heated up, I had to add in my meat, my beef. It's my beef. So I had to keep on stirring until my beef gets dark brown. These are the ingredients I had to use first. It was cooking oil, pilau masala, black pepper, soy sauce, bay leaves, or you can call them cinnamon leaves, dry rosemary, tomatoes, onions, and green pepper, plus garlic and ginger. So here our meat had turned typically brown, and I had to remove it from the oil. After setting this meat aside, I used the same cooking oil to to fry the onion, green pepper, and the ginger until everything turns to brown. After everything had turned typically brown, that's when you add in your tomatoes. You do the same, you stir until the tomatoes are typically soft. After cooking the tomatoes, when they are typically brown too, then you add in the other meat that you had set aside and mix again. So here I had mixed everything thoroughly well, so I had to add in the desired water according to the amount of the rice you are going to cook. So to me, I was cooking only 1 kilogram of rice, so I had to add in. Sorry about that. I had to add in 4 cups and let it boil. After the water had boiled, then it was time to add in our rice and let it cook until the water gets done from the rice. Ta-da! Here we are, our final results. Look how it is. Look how yummy and appetizing it looks like. Thank you for watching till this far. May God bless you. Ciao!